Yo YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff, and I'm coming back at you with yet another sneaker unboxing. Can you believe it? This will be the third one we've done recently. I can't quite believe it. We've been away for a while, but we're back. So SJ, let's go back to this camera because we want to do the usual thing. So everyone knows we've got a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, as you know. These are red plum, citron black, black taxi. Oh yeah, they're called black taxi, everyone. All right, let's just see if we can go in. Can we see the black taxi, SJ? I've never heard black described as black taxi before. But oh, there we go. Anyway, black taxis. Go back to the middle. So we've got another ACG-inspired Dunk Low Pro, as you all know. You know I got the first ones, and we'll have a little look at those later. I avoided the Celerons, much to my regret, which is why I'm back in on these. So first of all, chuck the box over there, and we go. Is that not special, everyone? Is that not a special plum colour? So inspired by ACG Terras from 1991, or taking all the colours from there. Obviously, all conditions gear. I'm not sure I'd wear these in the mud or anything, but as a standard SB, they are very special. First of all, I've seen lots of people put those in. They are those Citron. It's nearly French, isn't it? Citron laces. Vert. Citron vert or vert citron. Je ne sais pas. Right, anyway, let's go to this camera. Let's go to this camera because I think we're going to get better colors on it. Yeah, I think we are. Oh, my word. So, you have got that tough Nike suede. You've got the speckled midsole there that you'd expect from these ACGs. We're going to spin it round. We're going to come in close because we haven't discussed for a while. We haven't discussed the E. Is the quality of the E? Is the quality of the E up to standard, SJ? It's wonky. It's kind of what we expect with an E. A wonky E. It's how they're meant to be. Oh, look at that. Right. So you can see that tough suede. Now, I want to call out as well. Look at the stitching in the midsole. Lovely. Actually matching nails there. Not my nails, everyone. Those SJ's nails, just in case. Matching the nails. Really, really nice there. Now, if SJ just spins them to the front, because you've got that classic dunk there on the front. Looking good. Now, I think I'm going to swap the laces out of these, even though we've got the fat laces. And we will put up pictures on the IG in the Pint of Stuff style, and maybe I'll have swapped them out by then. You've got that Citron vert, Citron green, limey green, yellow, I don't know what you call it, there on the fat, puffy tongue. Looking really, really nice. Now, these are GR, but obviously super hard to get. If we flip to the sole, you can also see that plum in that classic spot there from the Nike SB. So yeah, I think that these are a bit special. Now I wanted to show you. I'm going to whoa, back to the middle, SJ, back to the middle, because lurking down here, I've got this from last year. I didn't pick up the Celeron, and I've got this one. So we've obviously, we're just showing that. What's your preferred colorway, everyone? Now imagine these in the limey, the pistachio, whatever you want to call it, lace. What's your favorite? What is your favorite? Because I thought these would be. I thought that classic purple, but I've got to say, I think that's better. SJ, can we go to that camera? Because I don't think we've done this. Oh no, we can't. Oh, fail. Oh no. That was a bit of a fail, wasn't it? Oh. So I'm going to come in, and then I'm going to go left, right, left, right. What do you think, everyone? What do we think? Vroom, vroom. Like, I'm really feeling that one. I forgot what hand it was in there. This is a tough SB suede. I've got to say, let's go back to the middle. I'm loving that tongue. It's so classic. It's so simple, but the puffiness works really well. And just in case you wanted to know what the inner soles look like, standard GR, so nothing special. But you've got that there. You can see that. It's pretty classic. That stitching really pops. Now, if I have a look on the... how did I not notice it on the original? So the original has got it as well. You can see there. And then if we come back to this one, you can see it. It's so good. And of course, people, if you're not subscribed, don't forget to do it. It's somewhere down here, somewhere down here. And yeah, we do tend to try and do this reasonably regularly. We have had a bit of time off recently, but every Sunday night, Sneaker Streaming Sundays, you can catch us at 8 p.m. UK time. That is about 12 p.m. on the West Coast, 3 p.m. on the East Coast. Come along, you never know, you might have a bit of fun. I know we do. It's you that help us. And of course, if you want to see us these on Instagram, go and have a look, because I think that they're going to look very special on foot, and I will have switched out the laces by then. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments. Which is your favourite? These or the Citron that I didn't get? I'm leaning to these, and I'm really surprised because I've worn these a fair bit, but these I think they might be edging it. They might be edging it. So what do you think, everyone? Let us know in the comments below. Did you get them? And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you don't, just give us a thumbs down. That's cool. And go and take a look at one of those wonderful videos over there. Just go take a look at one of the videos over there, people. It helps us in the algorithm. Google has recommended one of them to you. I've picked one, but Google's recommended the other. You never know. It might be something that you're surprised by as well. And I think that's all I've got time to say for today. So I'll see you later. Super nice. Super nice.